divisibility rules or test. See student, divisibility means divide. Divide any of a large number by the 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 or 10 by this number. Then student, it will reduce your division. It will reduce your division calculation and gives you a direct answer. See student, now the divisibility rule for 2. So it is explained that the number, whichever number will be given to you, so that number must be having a last digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Among these numbers, suppose a number having last digit, then the given complete number or that large number is divided by 2. Means without dividing 2, you can directly say that that number is divided by 2. For example, 128. Now see student, if I'll ask you, tell me student that 128 is divided by 2 or not. So what you will do? You will start dividing. But suppose I know the divisibility test of 2, then directly I can say that yes ma'am, this is divided by 2 without carrying out a division. मतलब division किए बिना आप बोल सकते हो. कैसे? that मुझे रूल पता है कि डिजिट के लास्ट में जो डिजिट होगा वो क्या होना चाहिए? 0, नहीं तो 2, नहीं तो 4, नहीं तो 6, नहीं तो 8. So now student, 128 having the last digit which is 8. So 8 is divisible by 2. So that is why 128 is divisible by 2. Now student, here another example, 1444. Last digit is 4. So 4 is divisible by 2. So that is why we can say that this number also divide by 2. अभी यहाँ पे मैंने डिवीजन किया क्या? नहीं, सिर्फ रूल को अप्लाई किया और पता चला कि दिस इज डिवाइड बाय 2. Now see student, 160. So 160 is last digit is 0. So that is why 160 is also divided by 2. And when these numbers are divided by 2, the remainder will be 0. Remainder हमेशा 0 होता है. Now see student, divisibility rule for 3. So how we can say that any number can be divided by 3? 3 से डिवाइड है या नहीं है? तो हमें तो सिर्फ 3 के टेबल तक पता है, लेकिन आगे जो नंबर्स है, बड़े नंबर्स है, वो डिवाइड है या नहीं है, कैसे ढूंढोगे? सो सिंपल रूल इज द सम ऑफ द डिजिट डिविजिबल बाय 3. ये जो सम ऑफ द डिजिट मस्ट बी डिवाइड बाय 3 से डिवाइड होना चाहिए. जैसे कि फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है 381. तब देखो यहाँ पे डिजिट है एक 3, 8 और 1, और हमें क्या ढूंढना है? सम मीन्स एडिशन. तो जो हमें लार्ज नंबर में जितने भी डिजिट हैं उन सबका एडिशन करना है. वी मस्ट हैव टू एड, and after adding whatever addition we are getting, whatever sum we are getting, that we have to write here. So now 3 plus 8 11, and 11 plus 1 gives you 12. Now tell me student, 12 is divided by 3? Yes or no? Yes. So that is why this 381 also divide by 3. So this way you can reduce your division time. Now next digit is 217. Let us do it अप्लाई द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑन दिस नंबर। तो क्या होना चाहिए? एडिशन 2 + 1 + 7। So 2 + 1 3, 3 + 7 10. So tell me student, 10 can divide by 3? No. So that is why this 217 is not divided by 3. It is not divisible by 3. Now student, divisibility rule for 4. Let us learn. What is the rule? Last two digits are divisible by 4. See student, here one number is given 1312. So I make it box to the last two digits. तो ये जो last two digits है, that last two digit must be divided by 4. 4 से divide होना चाहिए. So can we divide this 12 by 4? Yes. So that is why 1312 also divide by 4. तो वो 4 से डिवाइड हो सकता है. यहाँ पे देखो सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, द लास्ट टू डिजिट्स आर 19. So 19 can divide by 4? Yes or no? No. So that is why our number, that is the 7019, is not divided by 4. So this way you can apply the rules for 4. Now student, we were going to be learn for divisibility rule for 5. So what is the divisibility rule for 5? Same as 2. The last digit must be 5 और 0. लास्ट के डिजिट क्या होने चाहिए? एक तो 5 होना चाहिए, नहीं तो 0. अदर देन 5 और 0 डिजिट है तो that is not divided by 5. See student example first, 175. So last digit is 5. So that is why 5 can divide to 5. So that is why 175 is divided by 5. Now student, next 2160. So the last digit is 0. So 0 is divisible by 5. That is why the complete number 2160 is divided by 5. So now student, here 809. Last digit is 9. So 9 is not divisible by 5. So that is why our complete number 809 is not divisible by 5. So this way student, you can apply the divisibility rule for 5. Now student, divisibility rule for 9. The divisibility rule for 9 is same as 3. That is, the sum of digit is divisible by 9. अभी जो डिजिट का सम है वो डिवाइड होना चाहिए 9 से. Okay, so now let us divide. So what it is said, sum we have to take of digits. 1 plus 6 plus 2 plus 9. Now add student. 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 2 9, and 9 plus 9 18. So 18 is divided by 9. Yes, 9 to the 18. So that is why our 1629, that number is divided by 9. So our complete number also can divide by 9. Now student, see here, next example is 2013. So 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3. 2 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 3 plus 3 is 6. Now student, 6 is divided by 9? No. So that is why 2013 is not divided by 9, not divisible by 9. Now next divisibility test for 10. So it is same as 2 and 5, that is last digit must be 0. If number is ending at 0, नंबर के एंड में क्या होना चाहिए? 0. देन दैट ऑल नंबर्स आर डिवाइड बाय 10. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल 1, सी 220 लास्ट डिजिट इज 0, so that is why it is divided by 10. See here student, 10,000, so 10,000 last digit is 0, so that is why this number is divisible by 10 because ending with 0. Now student, here 10,001 is not ending with 0, ending में last digit 0 नहीं है, so that is why this is not divisible by 10. So this way student, you can apply a divisibility rules to find the numbers that can be divisible by specific numbers. So see student, the divisibility rules are only for the specific digits or specific number, not for all. So rule for 2, last digit must be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Rule for 3, sum of the digit must be divided by 3. Rule for 4, last 2 digit must be divided by 4. Rule for 5, last digit must be 5 or 0. Rule for 9, sum of the digit must be divided by 9. And rule for 10, which is last digit must be 0 होना चाहिए.